Well, today was the day, boys. 88's finally got some meats. Not wait to get them home and unloaded, even though the truck not even ready for them. But still a big day. All right, we're gonna talk wheels and tires here for a second. One of the big reasons why I ended up with a 40 is because I always wanted a 40 for the 88 when I solid axle swapped it. Did not plan on buying a 40 at first because I had already bought a Dana 44 and I was going to run probably 37s. But we bought this truck. It had these wheels and tires on it. Well, these wheels, those tires. These wheels are all curb rash because they're 22 by 12s on a 12.5 wide tire. So the tires were stretched to fit the wheel. I didn't really like the look of the curb rash, so we got these 22 by 10s. Gives it more of a balloon tire look. I think it's much cleaner. So since I was just buying new wheels for the truck, all I had to do was buy tires for my 88. So, being a 22-inch wheel, because that's the tire I already had for that truck. The stick bit her. So being that wheel was all what we already had for that truck, I got a 40-inch tire on a 22-inch wheel to be able to use the old wheels. So since they're 12 wides, went ahead and got a 40 1550 for the 88. That kind of messed up my plans on my front axle I already had, so I had to get a Dana 60. But that's all right. I mean, having the 40 helps me a lot. I can figure my height, lift height. I can figure my gear ratio, what I really need in my axles. Basically, the build kind of is really going to take shape around that 40, so it comes first. So that's why the truck is not built yet. But we got to start. 40s, Dana 60, and I also have a 14 bolt full floating axle I just need to go pick up.